snake plant soil mix, the perfect recipe for healthy growth snake plants, also known as sansevieria, are very hardy plants. But the secret to keeping them healthy is the right soil mix. Snake plants do not like wet or heavy soil. They prefer a fast-draining, airy mix that prevents root rot. The best soil mix for snake plants starts with 40% regular garden soil or potting soil. This gives the plant basic nutrients and support. Next, add 30% coarse sand or river sand. Sand improves drainage and keeps the soil from holding too much water. Then add 20% perlite or pumice. This makes the soil light and airy, allowing oxygen to reach the roots. Finally, mix in 10% compost or well-rotted organic matter to provide gentle nutrition for steady growth. Mix all ingredients well before filling the pot. Always choose a pot with drainage holes so excess water can escape easily. After planting, water lightly and allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. With the right soil mix, your snake plant will grow strong, upright, and healthy with very little care. Healthy soil means a happy snake plant.